Hello, this is Team47. We will now present our project demonstration, multi-tools, an all-in-one daily management app with real-time geolocation and a live day-night map, task scheduling, expense tracking, a calendar overview, and integrated alarms, stopwatch, and timer. And key challenges included generating the dynamic day-night map, managing growing data with automatic 30-day cleanup and smooth UI refresh, smart caching to avoid geolocation API rate limits, dynamic on-the-fly chart rendering for budgets and summaries. Through focus optimization and iterative design, we achieved a high-performance tool that truly boosts daily productivity. Okay, let's start with the main page. When you open the app, you will see an unlock button in the lower right. Tap it to review and pinpoint your current location. The world map also shows the day-night boundary, bright areas for daytime, dark for nighttime. Use the top buttons to switch between calendar, to-do list, and expenditure, and tap the time icon in the lower left to open the time panel. When you tap unlock, multi-tools caches your IP address and will not fetch it again for 1 hour. And after that hour elapses, it automatically refreshes your IP and updates your location. If you close and then reopen the app at any time, it performs a fresh IP lookup immediately. For example, if you open the map at 3:30 p.m., the map looks like this. You can see the boundary is here. But if you open the map at 9:40 p.m., you can see the boundary changes to here. And it's the night time in UK right now. And one more thing, that map with day-night line isn't just eye-catching. It is a special feature of our system and was one of our biggest challenges. After months of work, we settled on this real-time algorithm. First, we draw a simple black and white wall map as our base canvas. Next, overlay a 0.5 degrees by 0.5 degrees latitude, longitude grid from 90 degrees north down to 60 degrees south. Then, we fetch the current GMT and loop through every grid point to compute its solar elevation angle at the exact instant. And when a point's elevation hits zero, smooth and blur the nearby points to form the road terminator line. We split that line into small latitude-based segments and render each with gradually changing opacity, creating a seamless dusk-to-dawn gradient. Finally, any cell where the solar elevation is below zero gets a semi-transparent black overlay to mark nighttime, and we return this entire process every second so the boundary moves in real time. Next, we will explore each feature of the system in detail. Now, let's move on to the to-do list page. This is where you plan and manage all your tasks, and it's divided into 5 sections: recent, collection, all, feature, and category. In recent, you will see a 3-day slider centered on today. Tap any day to view its tasks. To add a new task, click the Add button in the top right. A dialog pops up where you choose a category, color, and name. Set the title, date, priority, and description, then hit it confirm. If you ever delete all tasks in a category, its button disappears automatically. An individual task can be removed by clicking the X. Okay, if you tap the collect button here, the tasks that you tapped just turn into stars and will appear in the collection interface. And the all view lists every task. Feature shows today plus upcoming items. And category filters tasks by their color-coded labels. We will skip demonstrating those two views since they are easy to use. Let's move on to the expenditure page, where you recorded all your income and expenses. It's organized into 4 sections: today, all, summary, and category. In today, you will see today's entries plus month to date totals at the top. Tap this button here to set your monthly budget, for example, £500. And you will get a pie chart showing remaining budget in green and spend amount in red, so you can instantly gauge your spending against your plan. In all, transactions are grouped by month, with a detail how toggle to expand each month's list. Category lets you manually add or delete up to 15 expense categories. Tap Add to create a new one, or hit Delete to enter deletion mode, and click the X besides any category. You will be promoted if still contains entries. Finally, summary offers drop-downs for month or year to review. You will see a pie chart of spending by category on the right, and below it a bar chart comparing total income and expenses over the last 4 periods. To add a new record anywhere, click Add, fill in date, time, method, amount, category, total income, expense, enter pay, pair, and comments, then hit Confirm. To remove entries, enter delete mode and click the X next to the record. Then exit delete mode when done. Let's move on to the calendar page. Here you get a combined preview of your tasks and expense records. As shown in figure, simply click any date on the calendar to display that date's to-dos on the left and transactions on the right. This view is read-only, perfect for a quick overview without editing. Next, the alarm feature lets you tap Add Alarm or select an existing call to set the time via the scroll wheel and enter label. Check Open to enable it, or enter Edit mode to delete alarms. When an alarm triggers and its time pop-up appears, you can manage up to 6 alarms. And with stopwatch page, you can press Start here, tap Left to record splits, fastest in green, slowest in red, then stop and restart to reset. And timer page, you can use the scroll, select a countdown, start to run it. Large display shows remaining time, small shows end time, and tap stop or cancel as needed. These are all the features of the system. Thank you for watching Team47's multi-tools demo. We hope you enjoy seeing how it streamlines your daily workflow. For questions or feedback, please contact us.